Hello everyone. On December 23, Huawei launched its new vertical folding screen smartphone, Huawei P50 Pocket. This new phone comes with a bunch of new features and designed with a pure luxury. Still, the Huawei P50 Pocket is only available for the Chinese consumer and may roll out for the global consumers in early 2022. Huawei P50 Pocket features the Snapdragon 888 4G processor, but the foldable phone segment demands a higher price range. Therefore, this new device will cost you 8,988 yuan and 10,988 yuan. Since it's a folding phone, it must have to enable in current phase of the folding screen technology. Therefore, Huawei has presented us with the latest screen repair prices of the Huawei P50 Pocket with a vertical foldable. Recently, Huawei has listed the screen repair price of Huawei P50 Pocket smartphone under the after-sale service, including spare parts and repair costs of the corresponding components. Most parts of the device range normal, but the Huawei has listed this model with the same version as the premium. Let's start first with the display. It costs 3579 yuan and 4379 yuan for the regular and the premium version to repair the Huawei P50 Pocket display. This is an expensive amount for the display repairment on the smartphone. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.